So we're going to start to see a common theme here where traders that are successful have been able to narrow down what they're doing to just one or two strategies. You see, just one or two accounts. You don't need to be doing everything out there. And that's what takes time and maturity. So be kind to yourself, all right? Moving on, Swiss Miss. So I became good friends with Swiss Miss, and I'll say that because she has blonde hair like I do, and she lives in Switzerland. And she too had been with a brokerage firm maybe 15, 20 years ago, like the UBS type of firm, and then she was a trader there, and then she went out on her own, and she trades just 3 futures markets. And she has built up her own playbook, just 2 or 3 strategies. So she's very selective. She has a specific time of day that she likes to go in and do her trades. And I really only saw her get into trouble once, and that was doing this one strategy that was really working best in up markets. And we had a period there, obviously, 3 years ago where we didn't have an up market. And that was a period that was a struggle for her. So even though we have our strategies, we still need to be asking ourselves, are they appropriate for the current environment? So we've got gals out there too. I want to talk just 1 or 2 more. Part-time Erin. So I've known Erin for 27 years. Again, successful individual, great analytical skills, very conscientious, which is an important trait if you're a trader, to be conscientious. He's detail-oriented. He places his stops. And he has finally found something that works for him after realizing that when he quit his job and was doing big-time swing trading, it was just too much stress. He didn't like that stress. And that's okay. So he narrowed it down to 2 or 3 patterns that he'll do. It might just be 5 or 7 trades a week. His average holding time is 7 minutes per trade. He locks it in by scaling out. He has a hard and fast stop, and that works for him. See, so he's found, again, one style, one strategy, and just 2 or 3 futures markets that he does that with. So there we go. And then I'll mention one more trader. There are a few losing traders out there that I do know, and I'm going to just nickname him Q. Okay? He's a trader wannabe who's been trying to make a living or even be profitable for 10 years now. Okay? Can't fault him for not trying because he certainly applies himself